Hello viewers, I am Roshmi. Welcome to my channel. This is my 48th episode. Today I will show you Chanderi batik along with some cotton sarees and printed silk. Let's start. Saree number 1. This is Chanderi batik. Color is navy blue. This is Chanderi batik with blouse piece. Price is 2450. These are very comfortable material and pocket friendly also, easy to wear and wash. This is Aanchal portion. This is Aanchal portion. It will come in the Aanchal. Chanderi batik, price 2450. It will come in the front. This is front portion. It will come in the front, and in the pleats it will come like this way. In the pleats it will be like this way. Chanderi batik, price 2450, and red color is the blouse piece. The blouse piece is red. Price is 2450. This is very comfortable material and it's a gift item also. Price is very pocket friendly. Next one, purple color. This is the Aanchal portion. This is Aanchal portion. Price again 2450. Materials Chanderi batik. This is the entire saree. The entire saree will be like this. This is the look. Saree number 2. Saree number 3. Orange with white. So this is Aanchal portion, and the entire body is white with crack and both side border. This is the look of the saree. Price 2450. Saree number 4. This is red color. There are some requests for red roses, so I am showing you. I cannot remember who have asked for. This is the Aanchal portion. This is Aanchal portion. Base color is red. It will come in the front, and in pleats or kuchi this work will again come. Price is 2450. 2450 Chanderi batik. Next one, orange. This is the Aanchal portion. Palla is this. It will go like this way. In the front, in the upper border, this thing will come, and this is lower border. This is lower border. Price again 2450. The entire saree is same. These all sarees have blouse pieces. This is saree number 6, yellow color, Aanchal portion. It will come in the Aanchal. This is upper border and this is lower border. This is lower border. Entire saree with borders. This is the saree. Again the price is 2450. Saree number 7. Rani color. This is Aanchal portion. It will come in the Aanchal. This is upper border. It will come in the upper border, and this is lower border. Chanderi is very comfortable material, as you know, and very easy to wear and wash also. This is the entire saree with blouse piece, Rani color blouse piece. Saree number 8. Saree number 8 is with white and navy blue. This is from Aanchal, like this way. This is from Aanchal. Half saree will be like this. From Aanchal, half saree will be like this with this work, and the rest half with crack and border. The body is white with crack and border. Price is again 2450, and the blouse piece of this sari is blue. Last sari number 9. This is also on yellow. This is Aanchal portion. Aanchal portion, then the sari, half sari will be like this. This is the half sari, and the rest half with border. And the rest half with border. Price again 2450. Now friends, I will show you some cotton saris. You have request for cotton saris. This is sari number 10. Price is 2200. This is yellow color and with hand parshi. See, this is the sari. This is Aanchal portion. These all are hand parshi. You can see this is hand parshi. Aanchal portion is this, and the entire sari with this buta and with this design and buta. Entire sari color is yellow and the entire sari is with hand parshi. Price is 2200. Next one, it is a machine work. The color is orange and the price is 1700. This is the look. See, this is the sari. This is Aanchal portion with royal blue machine work and the entire sari with borders. This is zari stripe Bengal cotton. Zari stripe Bengal cotton with machine work. The price is 1700. This is Aanchal. Next one, sari number 12. Price is 2000. See, this is the look of the sari. This is Gujarati stitch. Base color is Rani. This is Gujarati stitch with Rani color. See, this is the look. This is the look. Price is 2000. Color is Rani color. Gujarati stitch on cotton base. These all are pure Bengal cotton. Next one. This is also a cotton sari, but this is half and half with same Gujarati stitch. The price is 1650. So this is half portion. Half portion. This color is purple color and the half portion is with blue. See, with printed part. This is half portion. This is the look. Price is 1650. Next one, this is also a zari stripe cotton, but the work is cut work. It is sari number 14. Price is 2200. I will show you in this way so that you can see the cut work. This is cut work. The color is light rama green. This is the entire sari with cut work. Zari stripe tant. Price is 2200. Next one is sari number 15. Price of this sari is 1800. This is also zari stripe. See, this is Aanchal portion. This is Aanchal portion with both side border. This border will come on both side. This is the look of the sari with the border. Price 1800. The color is parrot green. This is the Aanchal portion. Next one is Gujarati stitch again, but the material is noil. It's very soft one. Price is 2200. This is Aanchal portion. The entire sari without red. This sari is made without red. magenta and yellow. Material is noil. Price is 2200. Cost of this price is 2200. Now I will show you some more printed silk. Sari number 17, printed silk. The color is brinjal color, light brinjal color, and the aanchal is turquoise blue. Silk, this is silk print. Entire body is this. Blouse color of the blouse piece is turquoise blue again. This is the look. Price is 3400 with silk mark tagged. This is the blouse piece. Price of the silk is 3400. Next one, sari number 18. This is also another printed silk. This is aanchal portion. It will come in the aanchal. The entire body is chocolate with green. This is chocolate color with green border. With green border, price is again 3400, and the blouse piece is also green. Price 3400. All the silks are silk mark tagged. Now this is black and white printed silk. Aanchal portion. It will come in the aanchal, and on both sides the same border. This is the border. This is the look of the sari, and the blouse piece is also black. This is the blouse piece is also black with this border. Sari number 20. This is also a very nice uncommon color rather. See, this is aanchal portion. It will come in the aanchal. The entire body is this with the butta, and this is the blouse piece. Now you can see the exact color of the sari. Price is again 3400. Sari number 21. This is also another printed silk. This is aanchal portion with rainbow colors, and the body is peach with white discharge, white color discharge. See, this will be the look of the sari. Price again 3400. All the silks are silk mark tagged. Friends, if you like the episode, share with your friends, subscribe, and definitely press the bell icon to get the notification of my next episode. This is another printed silk. This is aanchal portion with black, rani with black. It will come in the aanchal. The sari is rani color with both side border. Rani color with both side border, and the blouse piece is also printed. The interesting part is the blouse piece is printed. Price is again 3400. Sari number 23. This is also another printed silk. This is half portion will be like this. Half portion will be like this, and the half portion is rani color. This is the look of the sari. Price is 3400. This is half portion, and the blouse is also rani. This is the blouse piece. Price 3400 with silk mark tag. Original price of all the silks are 3550. Discounted price is 3400. This is with red and black combination. Aanchal. And the entire sari is like this with red and black. This is the sari. And the blouse piece is also red. Viewers, you have seen 24 sarees of 48th episode. I think you will like it. If you like, share with your friends, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of the next episode. For booking or call or WhatsApp 9330866 384.